Hello, welcome back, and welcome back to me too. I've been gone for a few days, and on truth be told, the $100,000 challenge it just like ended so quick that man, I wasn't even ready for that. So I had to take a few days off just to get ready for this next challenge. And here we are. So this is the pregame, and if you saw the intro video, you know a little bit about what this is or what I'm trying to accomplish here with this challenge. It's a little different from the others. I don't have a specific price in mind that I'm shooting for. I just have a moving daily target, and eventually I want my targets to be $4,000 per day. Right now, my daily target is $200, my starting daily target, and it's going to be changing as we progress. As the account grows, so will my daily target. And so this is the pregame, and if you look up there, I'm on level 1, and my points, I need 400 points. So I'm at 0 of 400 right now because I'm starting out. I will explain to you exactly what that's all about, maybe in this video or another one. I still have this other thing that I'm trying to get together so I can kind of explain how that works. For now, just know that it's there and will be changing with each and every trading day. So with that, let's get going. Welcome to day 1. And just like before, trading is risky, so make sure you lose your stops. Don't lose your stops. Use your stops. And I will learn how to talk one of these days. Welcome to Eva Trades. All right, so same drill as usual. We'll look at the gap scan. Of course, I'll push play. This is a simulator. It's August 22nd. And on the gap scan, we had for the day SVRE gapping up 70%, and it doesn't look too bad. Now beyond that, there really wasn't a whole lot here that I liked, but I wanted to pick something. I like to try to have at least 3 that I look at, so I chose SGFY and NHWK, and that's these two. We'll see what happens. This one has a lot of blanks in between some of the candles. It's starting to straighten out a little bit. Volume's coming in, so maybe it'll be all right. This one's trading well below the VWAP, so I marked out the resistance here and the support down here. So on this one here, we have a tightening range with the high, low, lower, high, higher, low, and so we're tightening up there. So all we can do is start marking out some levels. There's a pivot. We broke through it. A pullback to 443 would be a good entry point, in my opinion. There's also the VWAP there and a psychological level of $4.50. We also have a support here and a support here. We have a failure on the 5-minute. Bulls tried to break. They got the higher low, tried to get the higher high, couldn't do it, failed, and now coming down. That's interesting. I have to pause this. For some reason, I'm going to reset my time on the other charts. They're not moving, so I must have just pushed play on this one. Okay, so now we're rolling. Okay, so anyways, taking a look here at the 15-minute time frame. See these, you got these 2 upper wicks on SVRE. That's not looking too good. We tried to break that Well, not that. Actually, it tried to break here, tried to break 468. Broke it, couldn't hold above it, came up to it, broke it, not able to close above it yet, not able to get over $5 either. At this level of 468, we're failing to get any kind of closing candle over the top of that on the 15-minute. It looks to me like, you get the higher low, the bulls got that, they got the higher high with no follow through. So when you get a higher high with no follow through, that's a little bit of a bearish signal. So I would kind of expect a pullback. I'm anticipating a pullback on SVRE, and if I'm anticipating a pullback on SVRE, I could say with almost certainty that we may be looking for pullbacks on these other two stocks as well. NHWK with a long hourly upper wick, so that's definitely, and it's already consolidating and pulling back. Lots of volume on that. Okay, so that's enough with the larger time frames. Let's go ahead and make sure I have everything marked out. We have 1 minute till the bell rings. And I hope your day is going well. Feels really good to be back again. I haven't placed a trade in, what's it been, like 4 days? So I think I'm gonna have to maybe be a little cautious. I might be a little rusty here. This is day one. The charts aren't looking the best. I may be a little rusty. I think I better be quick to get in and quick to get out. I think that's going to be my strategy today. Kind of get the feel for things again here. It's amazing how quickly you can knock yourself out of the game just by taking a couple of days off. So 10 seconds to go. We have a level here, but I'm not expecting to hold that. We've tested that multiple times, so I don't really think that's going to hold. I'm looking for a pullback down into this area. I'm thinking there's a bear flag right now. Bulls would like to see a higher high right here. You got a lower low here, a higher low here, possibly. I don't know. Not sure I like the volume. Okay, where's my buy button? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Everything looks good, looks good. Okay, we're ready to go. Got 10 seconds till I can actually place a trade. If we come back down into this area, this 450 area, I'm going to punch the buy button probably a couple of times. Let's see, can we do it? Right there. Okay, I'm in twice right there. I'm actually going to buy it a third time. I like that. I'm going to buy off the VWAP here too on SGFY. Just once though. I don't like that one as much because of that 5-minute candle. That last 5-minute candle. And then this one, if this one decides to break this inside bar pattern bullish, I might jump in on that. Yep, there it goes. So I'm getting in there too. I'm taking my profit on some of these. Like I said, in and out really quick. I'm going to jump out on that. What do we have over here? I'm all out on the first two. I'm going to buy a pullback here on NHWK and look for a break a little higher. I like that look of that. And I will maybe take some profit here. Let's see. It already broke, but I didn't take the profit because it wasn't fast enough. So I'm gonna sell a partial. Take it while I got it. The others are pulling back. Yeah, I'm going to get out the rest. Everybody's pulling back, so that makes me nervous. Nice volume. But I just don't like how seeing these dips, these pullbacks on these other stocks. I'm going to buy that. Sell it real quick again. Okay, I want to tell you why I bought that, because we have this support right here. We came down to that. That's why I bought it. Oh, look at that drop. I almost bought that. I was just getting ready to hit the buy button on that pullback. Boy. Yeah, things looking a little weak now. Let's look at that 15-minute here. So we have a support here. We already broke that. Support down here. So just we had those higher lows on the way up. So the next level is $29 on SGY. And there isn't really anything on NHWK until down in this area. I see SVRE coming down into this area here. But I'm a little apprehensive about jumping in on it. I mean, I could. Where is that bounce level gonna be? I'll take a starter on SVRE there and see if we get a move back up towards VWAP. Might be quick just to get back out. Could add there. I think I will. Here we go, moving back up. I want to see that bounce up towards the VWAP. If we can tap the VWAP, that would be awesome. What I'd like to do is get enough profit off of this first order, because I have 2 orders that I took. If I could get enough profit off of the first one, then I can move my stop loss up to the low. There we go. Now I move my stop loss up, so this way I'm not going to lose anything if I get stopped out, because I already took half the profit. So there we go. So now I'm in essentially a break-even trade if I get stopped out, which is no problem. On the other hand, if this goes up and hits my target, well, then I've just made some pretty good money. Now, the question is, do I want to sell it at the VWAP, or do I want to try to hold it and then see if it hits my target? Will we make a run for the high of day? I don't know about that. Yeah, I wouldn't expect that. Not on a day like this, but we could. I'm not going to get my hopes up there. See if we can break through the VWAP. Yeah, right now I'm stress-free on the trade. I'm not worried at all about getting stopped out. Look at SGFY breaking, trying to break bullish out of this inside bar pattern. I did the same kind of trade over here where you had the inside bar bull break. This one's a little different though. This one here we had that double bottom and a higher low essentially. Well, just a double bottom. And a breakout here it was pretty clear to me that we could break above this level. Pretty close there. Oh, here we go. Coming up to the VWAP now. Got a open P&L of $100. Now I'm going to move my stop loss up below this candle right here because it's essentially a higher low and now we have a higher high. Now do I want to sell this? We're breaking out over the VWAP. Saw a little flutter. I'm going to sell it right there. I saw a little flutter on the candle, so that looked to me like maybe somebody was starting to short the stock right there. I would expect some shorts to start scaling in here with their stop losses up here. So that was a nice trade. So I got in there on that support 2 times, sold half when I had profit, and then moved my stop loss up for a break-even trade. Ended up making some really good money on it, so that's not bad. I don't often trade that way. Usually I'm more of a scalper. Now here's a pullback trade I could buy, but I could. $450. Should have broke by now. No. That doesn't look like it's gonna go. A lot of sellers on the ask. If you look down here. Oops, they just went away the second we came down here. There was the ask was stacked up here with a lot of sellers. So it must have gotten filled. And there we go, breaking down. Okay. Things are weak today. So, I haven't gotten this worked out yet. Because when it comes to the points, so level 1, I started at level 1, and I needed 400 points in order to get to level 2. So basically, the points are dollars. Maybe I should change it to dollars. I don't know. Can I move that over there? Can I move this over here without messing anything up? So the points up here, these are dollars. So 0 of 400. So I needed $400. And if I make $400, what that does is it gets me to that next level of where I can adjust my daily target up and my daily risk up to the next level. So yeah, I've got to work this out a little before I explain this to you. So I don't want to confuse anybody. So that's going to be it for me today, though. So I am up, if I add up the P&L, look at the top of your screen, you can see what I've made for each stock. I made $378 on SVRE. I made $158 on SGFY and $228 over here on NHWK. Not too bad for the first day. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Not too bad at all. I'm up over $700. My daily goal is 200. So that's 3.5 times my daily goal. That's not too bad on a day where things aren't doing so well, so that's a lot better than I had anticipated. Okay, well, I'm going to call that a day. So thank you for joining me, and I hope your trading goes well. And good luck today on Friday in the stock market if you're trading. I am curious to see if we get any follow through from yesterday. So take care. We'll talk to you next time.